Good afternoon, Dave. Sorry, I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to let you know what I'm talking about. If we went on Google and search for commercial maintenance companies, we see what Google shows. There's a few ads up top over here. These people are paying per day to have their ads shown up there. And then you see right here, this is called a map pack. The top three things that come up over here are people that are paying for a higher amount for them to get listed up on Google, and they're shown on this map over here as well. If I touch select facility maintenance, it takes me to a page of a whole bunch of people, but the top three were select facility, national maintenance, and FCR, facilities maintenance. This is what's called a GMB, or Google My Business, also called Google Business Profile. This little slot right here. It's a quick summary of what this job offers for us. So it has their name and address. It has their a few photos up there. It has their 24 ratings at a 4.8 grade or what have you, and some other information there as well. So if I went to National Maintenance Services, you see there's some photos up top. The photos mean something to Google as well. It says their address and stuff as well over there, their website information, as well as a summary of some of the things that they do, and other web results as well. So optimizing these pages will also help get your business more traction, more traffic than what you currently have without even touching the website, and that would be about $500 to $600 a month. Let me know what you think, and have a great rest of your day, and we can talk tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.